Hello everyone, it's PyGuru this side, and today in this tutorial we are going to see a business logic error in a government website. Now this is pmsangrahale.gov.in, and what we'll try to book a ticket on this. So if I click on book now, basically if I scroll down, here I can select any package. So let's select the one with the most cost. So I'll select this one. Okay, you can select anyone, it's up to you. Okay, once we do it, here you have to click on OK, and let's just select the date. I'll select 31st, then wait for some time. Here it says each visitor requires a valid ticket, so you have to select the number of visitors there are. So let me say I want a ticket for 5 people, so I'll just select 5 here, and then I'll click on continue. Now see, I'm just doing it because I have already done it earlier, so I know where is the bug. But what you have to do whenever you are visiting a website, you have to intercept each page and you have to check which pages are modifiable, which values you can modify to change the prices or change the final value of the ticket. Okay, so you keep this in mind. I'm just doing it this fast because I already know which page contains the bug. So here after that, let's click on continue. And no add-ons. If you want any add-on, you can just select any one of these. I just want to skip it for now. Okay, and then here I'll enter my name, which is something incorrect. Then I'll just enter fake email as well. Then I'll enter a fake phone number. You can just enter any phone number. Okay, so organization is this will be empty. Then I will continue. Now this is the page where we have to modify the values. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just open my Web Suite, turn on the intercept. My Web Suite is already connected with Firefox. So what I'll do, I'll just click on Pay with Paytm now. Now see, options request is being made, so we'll ignore it. Okay, we have to select the post method here. So we'll simply forward it. Now the next method will be post. So this is the post method. We have to modify the values here. So what I'll do, see, these are the things that we have selected so far. So it says package ID, package title, booking date, all of this, and category is this. Here it says price is 100. So instead of 100, what I'll do, I'll just make it 1. First, let me just show you what are the values. So here is the price, here is the quantity of the tickets, here is the total amount, and then again total amount, and then ticket total again. So if you are changing one thing, make sure that you update everything as well. So let's say if I want to change the price of one ticket to 1, so for if price of one ticket is 1, then quantity is 5, then the total ticket amount will become 5. Okay, because 1 multiplied 5 is 5. Then again total amount will be 5 now. Then here also ticket total will be 5. So if I just right click and then go to do intercept to check the final value. So if I just click on forward now, I'll be able to see the if it's correct or not. So we are getting a 200. Okay, and if I scroll down, it says merchant checkout please. So yes, we have successfully changed the prices. Okay, so we can simply forward it and turn off the intercept now. So let me maximize it again. It says your transaction is being processed. Paytm PS is loading. And here see, the final price that we have to pay is 5 rupees on. So this is how you can use this simple methods to trick the websites. Now again, see, this is a government website. Okay, and this is very simple, but this is also known as price tampering or business logic error. So yes guys, this is it for this video. If you love this video, leave a like or a dislike. If you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you. See you in next tutorial.